While preparing this 60-second lecture and thinking about the words of wisdom that I could share, it seemed only appropriate that having graduated from the college with a BA in English, I should focus on how this major has helped me in developing key skill sets needed and probably valued in any career, as well as reference some of the marquee writers like Whitman, Emerson, and Thoreau, and discuss how their teachings have helped shape who I am, and at the same time might serve as a guide to you. I was pretty sure that this is the direction I was going to move until about 2 weeks ago when I was watching football. And they had an interview with Christian McCaffrey. Not too sure if you guys know who Christian McCaffrey is, but he's probably one of the best running backs in the league, even though he's not an Eagle. He discussed how he and his father found inspiration by the teachings of the martial arts expert Bruce Lee. The wisdom shared was, you must be shapeless, formless, like water. When you pour water in a cup, it becomes the cup. When you pour water in a bottle, it becomes the bottle. When you pour water in a teacup, it becomes the teapot. Water can drip and it can crash. Become like water. I thought about this in the context of the life of a student in the college. Clearly, you are, in fact, the water. You come into this world without any predetermined notions and ideas of what you're going to be. But throughout your life, and particularly throughout your 4 years in the college, you have the ability to move around just like water. It's uncanny, the similarities. Yes, I wanted to highlight the opportunities that the water, one of the key things I wanted to highlight was there's a ton of opportunities where the water could go. But I want to note that, and argue the most important thing is that being like water, sorry, I've told Jean Marie, public speaking is not my forte. And it freaks me out. I got to do the Usha breathing exercise. Be like water, exactly. Be like water. Think fluid. What I want to know and argue is more important than being like water is the act of becoming. Where being is passive and designates a state, becoming is active and designates an event, a change of state. I challenge you as students not only to enjoy the journey that comes from being like water, but to do it with the purpose of becoming the cup. Thank you.